Okay, welcome everyone. Today is going to be the start of the actual proper sort of new. I've been sort of easing into with the new schedule the last few days. This is going to be the start of the actual proper where in the mornings I'm going to try and do something sort of fun and silly like a Lego or some other toy build. In the evenings I'm going to do I say evenings. At midnight my time I'm going to post the toy build, and at noon my time I'm going to post the more, I don't know, I wouldn't call them adult builds, but more, the marble runs and the book nooks and the little wooden model music box type things that I have been doing. That's my plan going forward for now. I think I should be able to keep the pace up, and I think, just see how it goes. I'm still experimenting, learning how to do all this stuff and try and get views and the whole kit and caboodle that y'all don't really want to hear about. You just want to watch the build, right? So with that being said, here we are. It's the Lego Speed Champions Ferrari F40. I'm not even going to try that word. It's Italian, and it's, I'm sure, beautiful when somebody without my accent says it, but that's what it is. I said it does have a little bit of a laser 3D hologram verifier, but nowhere near. But I gotta say, for this one, the Lamborghini won it, because that's a much nicer hologram. But that being said, let's dig in and find out what we got going here. Looks like it's set up for street or track. A few bags. Oh, they're still going in there. Unibody and rims, and there's another bag of rims in there. All kinds of rims for this one. Yeah. There's 4 sets. I have to have a good comparison shot of all of them now. Yeah, that's everything that goes in there. Okay, let's see. You got stickers. This one was not really a competition for the Lamborghini that I built earlier, the Countach, but they're the same era. The F40 is generally considered to be the 80s supercar by most pundits. Pretty thick little book for such a small kit. Little chunk to it. Got 3 bags and, let's say, stickers. And tell it's a Ferrari, it's all red. But, alright, and I'm 3 minutes. I can go and do like 1 or 2 steps, I guess. Maybe get the little dude built. That's always step number 1. Yeah, find the little dude and build him. So let's do that tonight, and then save the rest for the next couple of 3 videos. You guys. So there's his legs and his torso. And his head. Scruffy little Ferrari driver with the 5 o'clock shadow. I don't know if it ever come in focus. Nah, I don't think it did. Come on, dude. You'll have to trust me. He does it. There he goes. 5 o'clock shadow going on. Alright, and his visor and his helmet. Prop that up. I don't even think. Oh, yep, they did. Evidently, there is a wrench somewhere in here for him, according to the picture. Although I would imagine if you can drive a Ferrari, you probably don't know much about fixing them. There you are. Of course, I guess the same thing is true with the Lamborghini. But let's say we got a little dude built now. Oh, I just noticed he had the arm on his racing suit is different colors. Nice little detail. That one, I guess that's just why he's winking or smirking. There, little detail on the back there, not much detail, just a little bit on the shoulders. Okay, we'll just stand him there. We'll stand him up there while he can watch us build the car. Thanks for watching this quick unboxing. We'll dive into the proper build next time and get going with it. So as always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share, do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.